Hey guys, this is Risheek Payanam from Art Teachers. So, in the series of the reasoning chapters, today's topic for our session is alphabet test. So, there are a number of types of questions in this alphabet test, but very few are frequently asked in the questions. That is exams, which I personally encountered in the exams. So I have sorted out them to three to four types, to be precise, four types. And I think these four types of questions are enough for us to go for the exam. Okay, so let's start with the first question. We will see four questions in this video, which each question is of each type. And this is another very simple topic in which everything is given in the question itself. We just need to know ABCDs, right? A to Z, the order of ABCDs. So if you know that order, we can easily solve this. But just to make sure we have an idea about what these type of questions, so that we don't panic when we get the questions in our exam. Okay, we can easily solve them, right? Let's start with the first question here. Which of the following words will come fourth in the English dictionary? So we have idea, right? We have an idea how English dictionary looks. Okay, I mean how to check the words in the English dictionary, right? It starts with the alphabetical order, right? And then we need to check every letter in the word and move on, right? So here few five words are given. We need to start with the first letter and then the next letter and then next letter and so on. Okay, as every word is starting with M and A, so we can skip the first and second letters, and we need to see the third letter, right? Third letter here is G. G, T, R, G. So definitely G comes before T and R, right? So the first word would be between these three words, that is magical, magnify, and magnetic. So definitely G is going to be in the first word, and the next fourth letter, if you see, it's I here, N here, and again N here. So definitely I comes before N. So magical would be the first word. Then the second word would be between magnify and magnetic. So we so till the fourth letter it's common. Again, the fifth letter here is I, and here in magnetic is E. So definitely E comes before I. So the second word would be magnetic. Obviously, third word would be magnify. So the fourth word here is between C and D. That is maternal and martial. So we have seen till see, this is third, and fourth question would be M A is common between them. R and T. Which comes first before R and T? A B C D F G H I J K L M N O Q R. R comes before. So martial would be the fourth, and maternal would be the fifth word. So definitely our answer for this question is martial. So D would be the answer, and yes, D is the answer. So let's move on to the second question. Here every question is of different type. Okay, and these are the types which I have personally encountered in the questions. So I think it's very enough for us to see these three to four types, and we can easily go to the exam. Okay, how how many such pairs of letters are there in the word instructions which have as many letters between them in the word as in the English alphabet? So a word is given instruction instruction, and we have to find out the letters which have as many as letters between them when they are in the alphabetical order. So this is a very simple type of question, but it kills our time in the examination. But we have to solve it anyway. So to solve this type of question, we need to start from one side, either from the left side or right side. Generally, I prefer left side. You can prefer any side according to your comfort, right? So for this, we need to start with first letter and then move on to second letter and then third letter. By moving on further, we need to check, not only check right side, we can also check the left side. That way we can easily find out, solve the question. Okay, so let's start with I. What comes after I? J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Okay, so nothing has matched, right? Let's move on to the second word, I mean second letter, N. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So there is a match here, right? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So we have one pair already. And then let's move on to S, S, T. So again another pair, three. We have already two pairs, and S, T, U, V, W, X. Okay, again which we starts with T, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, S, T. If you see left side, T, U, V, no, right, again with R, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. If you see left side, Q, R, S, T, U, V, no, no match. Again U, U, V, W, no, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, no. C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, no. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Again there is a match. This is third pair, right? We are, we are, oh my god, C, C and I, right? Not T and I, C and I. C and I. Then with T, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. No. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, I, J, K. No. O, P, O, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, M, N, O, M, N, O. Again we have another pair, so we have four. So D is the answer. Okay, it takes time. It's very simple question, but it kills our time in the examination. It's better to avoid if we have another question to solve, but if you have time and we have the question left out, we can answer this type of question. So the another type here, the third question: if the letters in the word powerful are rearranged as they appear in the English alphabet, the position of how many letters will remain unchanged after the rearrangement? So a letter is given, a word is given powerful, powerful, and we need to rearrange them in the order of English alphabet and see which letter's position remains unchanged even after the rearrangement. Okay, so the first letter would be here E. E F E F G H I J K L L M N O, we have O, M N O P P Q R S T U W. So we have U here, which is the position of U is remained unchanged. So the answer would be B, one. Only one word, right? P U. Everything, every other letter's position changed. So definitely B would be the answer. Yes. And the last question in the last type in this session. So answer the given question based on the following English alphabet. Okay. Which letter is fifth to the right of the 18th letter from your right? Okay. So to solve this, we need to first find the 18th letter from your right. Okay. 18th letter from your right. From our right means we have to start with Z. Okay. We need to count down the 18th letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I is the 18th letter from your right. So again from there we need to find fifth a letter which is fifth to the right of 18th letter. That means I is the 18th letter and we need to find a letter which is fifth to the right of I. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So N is fifth to the right of the 18th letter which is I, that is from the right side of the given alphabet series. Okay. So the answer would be N, E. Okay. E. So yes, that's the end of our session. So it's been a while. I might have lost my touch, but this is a simple topic, and if you follow these questions and solve, I mean find the questions similar to this type in the web, and you can easily find them in the Google also, right? You can search them on Google, like type alphabet test, and you can find tons of questions, and please do practice them. So if you like the session, please do like, subscribe and share the session with your friends. And that's it. That's the end of our session. So thank you. We'll meet in the next session.